Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to record your Instagram story without have to hold the button on the screen. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Instagram application, and here's the look. Now the next thing we have to do is just go into the story section. If you are in a home sections now, you can directly slide your screen into the right side until you access these story sections. Okay, now we are in the story section. So how to record a video on this story section without have to hold the screen? You just need to go access these features on the left side. If yours probably in the right, it depends on the setting. And then you just need to click this button to explore more. So you just need to go click the hands-free. By clicking the hands-free, you just need to click once at this button, and then you can take your finger off from your screen, and you can start recording. Let's try. Okay, I am not handling anything. So after done, click this back. Okay, I am not handling anything. So that's the way how to record on the story section without holding the button. If you found that this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.